Hi, today I'd like to show you how to remove noises from your sound recordings. First, you would need a sound recording software. I'd recommend you download Audacity. It is free to download online. Just go to Google and type download Audacity. Click the first link that pops up, and then you can download the software for Linux. You can get it for Mac and for Windows. Click the installer download link. Click to execute the installer. Just the regular installation instructions, just follow it, and then you'll be good to go. Finish. So this is the new document. You can press this button here to start recording a sound. Hello. Just make sure to give it an extra buffer here in silence, so you can distinguish your actual recording with the noises that are produced in the background. In this case, let's play the sound. You'll notice that there is a background noise produced by the computer. Hello. Now we want to get rid of this noise. Just select any part of the region of the noise region. You can select this one or this one or this one, and go to Effect, Noise Removal, and then click the button Get Noise Profile, and then unselect. Click anywhere to unselect, go to Effect again, and Noise Removal again, and just click OK. Notice how the noises have disappeared from your recording. Hello. As easy as that. Now you can do a bunch of more cool other stuff, like for example reducing the pitch by selecting the area of the recording and going to change pitch. Go like -20%. Yeah, you can do some other bunch of other awesome sound effects. Just explore and find out for yourself.